Stop wasting your precious time pushing a heavy vacuum and chasing dust bunnies with a mop. What if I told you that the technology for a truly hands-free clean home has finally arrived, that the dream of coming home to spotless floors every single day without lifting a finger is no longer a dream? But hey, raise the secret the brands don't want you to know: not all of these robots are created equal. Some are genius and others are a complete waste of your money. In this video we've tested over 20 models to bring you the only 5 robot vacuum and mops you need to consider in 2025. We're revealing the winners, the losers, and the one shocking model that outperformed them all. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Qrevo S. Note, Roborock recently updated the Qrevo line with the Qrevo Q2 Pro, but it's currently not shipping to the United States. We will update this review when we can test it. Roborock makes a bewildering array of vacuums at various prices. Happily, they all work and age well, so if you buy last year's model, you won't miss out on much. The Qrevo S is 2024's update to the mid-range Qrevo line. It's smaller than its predecessor, with slightly less suction at 7,000 pascals versus the 10,000 or even 18,000 pascals Roborock offers in its higher-end vacs. However, I have found that more suction doesn't matter as much if you're cleaning regularly. It may even bald your carpets. What's important is that the Qrevo S has everything you need: multifunctional vacuuming and mopping, automatic bin emptying, and mop washing, for a not insane price. Number 2. G10 Plus Robot Vacuum. I was shocked by the specs and offerings of this compact robot vacuum that doesn't even come with a docking station. The G10 Plus has an enormous 1-liter dustbin. Most robot vacuums have an onboard dustbin that is about half that size, and the dustbin has an internal compression paddle inside and a UV light. It continually compresses and disinfects everything it picks up. 3i claims that you don't have to empty it for up to 60 days, but that test lab is much cleaner than my house. Still, going for a week without emptying an onboard dustbin in my very messy home with multiple kids and a dog is remarkable. At 18,000 pascals, the suction is more than twice as strong than most other vacuums at this price point, and the LiDAR navigation much more accurate. It also has AI-enabled Apex Vision and Dirt Scan to identify obstacles and particularly dirty spots. It did not get lost in a week's worth of testing, and I was particularly surprised by how good it was at edging, catching the dust bunnies that tend to pile up in front of my dryer. Also, the dock has a base on it, so unlike our previous pick, the Deebot TP-Link RV20 Max, $200, it never gets knocked off the dock and fails to charge. It is almost an inch taller than the RV, so it did occasionally get stuck under one of our low sofas. However, despite the need for an occasional rescue, I was startled by the number of flagship features offered at a very affordable price. Number 3. Deebot X11 Omnicyclone. Equivacs launched its new flagship Deebot X11 Omnicyclone at IFA 2025 with several standout features. First, it has a bagless waste disposal system, with a canister that cycles debris in a circle to keep it from clogging, like a Dyson vacuum. As someone who has spent many a night on the kitchen floor unclogging the auto-empty tube with a chopstick, I appreciated this. It also has a new fast charging system with frequent top-ups to prevent long runtime cycles, which I also noticed. Many high-end smart robot vacuums, like the Roborock Saros Z70 below, can take until mid-afternoon to finish running a cleaning cycle in my large house, complete with recharging. The Omnicyclone is usually done by noon. Number 4. X50 Ultra. I still really like Dream's stair-climbing robot vacuum, although I think that bagless, clogless emptying and fast recharging are 2 practical considerations that make the Equivacs a better choice. However, this is the best vacuum for pet hair for another reason. Yes, it has double roll brushes to reduce tangling, plus side arms to edge clean more effectively, in addition to the usual large-capacity docking station with clean and dirty water tanks, self-emptying bag, and hot water mop washing. But Dream's software is very impressive. The vacuum sensors let the AI-enabled app accurately identify obstacles, floor surfaces, and extremely dirty areas. It's the most effective dirt and obstacle identification system I've tried. Whenever I skipped a day or two of cleaning, the X50 Ultra reminded me that particular areas of my house had a high degree of dirtiness and prompted me to run it again. Anyone who has a pet knows exactly where the areas that have a high degree of dirtiness are in your house. For cat owners, it's probably around the litter box. For me, it's near my dog's bed where she likes to chew up sticks. It's one of the smartest robot vacuums I've ever tested, outside of the Matic, although I did have to ensure the self-emptying function was working from time to time. Number 5. Saros Z70. This year at CES 2025, we saw a robot vacuum that can, theoretically, use its OmniGrip extendable arm to pick up your socks and put away your trash. When I set up the Saros Z70, I also designated a shoe storage zone and set up the included Roborock storage box where the robot vacuum would theoretically be able to drop socks, crumpled tissues, and other items. Without the arm, the Saros Z70 is an effective household cleaning companion. The AI-enabled smart plan has developed an effective cleaning pattern for my first floor, detaching the mop pads to vacuum before reattaching them to mop my kitchen, laundry, room, and bathroom floors as the final step. It has cleaned up an entire kitchen floor sprinkled with powdered sugar. Battery life is a bit shorter than Saros 10R, $1,600. The version without the robot arm, it runs for about 2 hours before it needs to recharge. The main problem is that OmniGrip still has a ton of limitations. The vacuum can't pick up clutter beyond a fairly limited assortment of tissues, shoes, socks, or items under 300 grams. It recognizes my flip-flops only if they're on hard surfaces, not carpet, and it fails to bring the shoes back to the shoe storage area. Most days, if I leave clutter out, the vacuum will start out to get it, then note that it has failed to complete sorting and return to the dock. I will continue to run the Saros Z70 this year to see if further software updates make it easier to use, but right now this robot vacuum comes with a pretty big caveat. And there you have it, the 5 champions that can truly give you your time back, from the budget king to the undisputed luxury flagship. One of these is the perfect key to your clean home. Ready to make the jump? All product links including the exclusive discounts we've secured are waiting for you in the video description below. If this video saved you hours of research and helped you find your perfect cleaning partner, do me a huge solid, like this video, share it with a friend or family member who hates cleaning as much as you do, and subscribe for more real-world tests that upgrade your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.